everyone, welcome to Alpha Insights. I'm Brittany.
And I'm Marcus. We have some exciting developments in the cannabis sector to unpack today.
Absolutely. It seems like the cannabis market is buzzing with energy right now. So let's dive into the latest highlights.
First off, Montana has hit a significant milestone with adult use cannabis sales reaching a record around $327 million. That's a huge number for the state.
Right? Over the past 4 years, those sales have topped $1 billion. It really shows that there is a strong demand and repeat customers in the market.
Exactly. This kind of consumer behavior indicates stability, which is a positive sign for operators focusing on regional markets.
And speaking of regional markets, we're seeing some shifts in other states too. There's pressure in Georgia to expand their low THC medical program, which could open up access for more patients.
That's a solid point. If reforms pass, it could significantly widen the market. More patients would mean increased demand for products.
And over in Virginia, there's a new bill aiming to legalize regulated recreational marijuana sales. That would not only increase possession limits, but also create a taxable retail market.
And that's a big deal. It highlights the momentum at the state level, showing that lawmakers are keen on expanding legal access.
But we can't ignore the federal side of things either. There's talk of delaying a federal hemp THC ban, which, if it happens, could really benefit hemp-derived product makers.
Right. It would provide short-term relief to businesses in that segment and just reduce some of that regulatory uncertainty.
But on the flip side, the House has passed some spending language that blocks recreational sales in Washington, D.C. It seems there's still a lot of political risk bogging down the sector.
Exactly. That's the duality we're seeing. Progress at the state level versus hurdles on the federal front. Investors really need to stay aware of these dynamics.
So, what are some actionable takeaways for our listeners? I think tracking legislative calendars is crucial. Those committee hearings could really move the needle.
Absolutely. Monitoring state sales reports is also key, especially considering Montana's record sales. It can quickly reset growth expectations.
And we shouldn't forget about licensing timetables. If Virginia or Georgia advance legalization, the race will be on for companies to capture market share.
Great point. Plus, with investor sentiment being cautious right now, it's important to scale any investments around confirmed policy outcomes rather than guesswork.
To sum it all up, state-level wins show growing consumer demand, while legislative activity could open new markets. But investors need to stay alert to federal developments that could pose risks.
Exactly. It's a delicate balance. Stay informed, look out for those legislative milestones, and focus on proven regional operators.
That wraps up today's Market Insights. Thanks for tuning into Alpha Insights, where we keep you updated on the latest in finance.